Good morning, guys. It's Saturday, and I usually start my day by opening up the curtains and letting some light in. These blackout curtains have actually been doing a pretty solid job keeping the sun out. I recently picked up this humidifier from Xiaomi, and honestly, my sleep has never been better. You can control it through the My Home app, just like the other Xiaomi smart devices. Set schedules, monitor temperature and humidity levels, and it takes care of the humidity levels while I'm sleeping. Another cool thing I wanted to show you is the new sleep score feature in the Apple Health app, which comes with watchOS 26 and iOS 26. I've also seen that companies like Discover Vitality are now using sleep tracking to actually reward people for sleeping well. I think it's a pretty cool incentive to get some proper rest. Hey Siri, switch on Apple TV. Open DSTV stream app. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another YouTube video, and I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we're doing things a little bit different. I want to try and do a full day in my life with the Ecovex Robo Mop to try and see if it has really helped me in terms of getting some time back from cleaning. So now I'm gonna head to the gym after this, but for now, I'm just gonna do some maintenance on the robot and water the plant, and then we'll head to the gym. Stay tuned. Please like and subscribe. You know the vibes, man. Cheers. So first I'm going to empty the dust bag, empty the dirty water and refill the clean water tank. The robot actually reminds me when all of this has to be done. I get notifications in the app when the water levels are low, or when the dust bag is full, and even when the sensors need a quick clean. So that's pretty convenient for me. From time to time, I also have to clean the sensors like the LiDAR and the camera sensors because dust can build up and cause issues over time. Overall though, this machine pretty much runs itself. I just step in when it asks me to. This model doesn't have automatic solution dispensing, but the app does give me a checklist for all the maintenance tasks, so it makes the whole process pretty straightforward for me. So at the beginning of this month, I also changed gyms after being with Vision Active for almost 5 years. I joined Planet Fitness mainly because it's the closest gym to me. It just made more sense to save myself commute time, and overall, I'm really happy with the equipment here. Plus, the gym isn't usually too crowded in the mornings, which makes my workouts much more enjoyable. While I'm here at the gym, I want the RoboMob to remap the house and figure out the layout of everything. That way, later on I can remotely tell it which rooms to clean and apply the specific settings I want for each space.
Back in it, baby, just stay in a town. I'm on the edge, I ain't coming down. I get too high, I'm afraid of the ground. I'm young and I'm paid to play with these sounds. Ignoring the call, she shutting that down. Start at the top, then I'm taking it down off the champagne. Took a break from the brown on a rampage. I've been giving it brown. Shawty been solid some time now. I'm my line for the wine, dine, and I'm with it. Look where we started and look where we at. I can see where we headed, but I can't see me finish. 3 years ago, I was down on my last. Was stuck at the crib, I couldn't get out of my bed. Then I realized it's all in my head. And I can't go back to the past, yeah. Except now I'm moving, put all in the music for more like a movement is brewing. I cannot picture us losing. I'm sharp when I shoot it, the world is my tutor. She wanna lay block in public, but know that I'm published. We settle for safety. Not in the street, but I'm on the same muscle.
Bought something to do the labor in the house, like dishwasher, washing machine, the robo mob, so that I can get time from there. It's like you're buying back time if you think about it.
Hi guys, welcome back. So now I'm done eating. Here at the bakehouse. The food was nice. I think it was, yeah, the prego roll was amazing. So now I'm just gonna head to Istore. There's something that I've been looking for there. Just gonna head there now, and then we'll later on do an unboxing, and also just gonna check on the robo mop as well. I hope you guys are enjoying the video, and please like and subscribe. I've been looking to buy an iPad to complete my Apple ecosystem. So after comparing the standard iPad, the iPad Air and the iPad Pro, I decided to go with the latest iPad with the A16 chip and the 128 gig Wi-Fi only because it does everything I need at a budget-friendly price. It's actually pretty impressive that the iPad still ships with a power brick, especially considering all the carbon regulations Apple follows. You don't get a power brick with the iPhone anymore, and the rationale behind that was that smaller boxes mean more units per shipment, which reduces the carbon footprint. With the iPad, the box is already big, so why not include it? Setting up the iPad is pretty straightforward, especially if you use your iPhone. All your settings get copied over automatically, so the transition is seamless. It really makes getting started super easy. I've been trying to add all my smart devices to the Apple Home app, but so far no luck. All these devices come with their own native apps, which makes it a bit tricky, but I'm going to keep trying. Let me know in the comments if you think I should do a full review of the iPad. I'd love to hear your thoughts.